Hi everyone, welcome to this video where we'll explore the top 5 best automatic litter boxes 2025. Our list is carefully curated based on extensive research, customer feedback, and hands-on testing. We've evaluated these automatic litter boxes for their quality, features, performance, and overall value to bring you the best options available this year. If you're looking for more details, including the latest prices and deals, check out the links provided in the description box below. So without further ado, here are the top 5 best automatic litter boxes, 2025. The fifth product on our list is Omega Paw Elite Self-Cleaning Roll and Clean Litter Box. It is an affordable, non-electric, self-cleaning litter box designed to simplify cat litter maintenance. By rolling the box onto its top and back again, an internal grill separates waste, collecting it in a slide-out tray for quick and easy disposal. Unlike electric models, it doesn't rely on batteries or complex systems, making it cost-effective and low maintenance. It's spacious enough for large or multiple cats and helps control dust and odor with its covered design. Assembly is simple, and no liners or filters are required. However, its efficiency depends on using high-quality clumping litter, and it requires gentle handling to avoid damage. Overfilling the box or rough use can lead to messes, and some litter may escape from the removable tray. Despite minor drawbacks, the Roll and Clean offers a budget-friendly way to try a self-cleaning litter box before investing in pricier models. Up next in 4th place is the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro Self-Cleaning Litter Box. It is a self-cleaning litter box offers a hassle-free solution for cat owners, eliminating scooping, cleaning, and refilling for weeks. It uses crystal litter, which absorbs urine, dehydrates solid waste, and provides superior odor control. The low-tracking, 99% dust-free crystals keep floors clean and prevent litter from sticking to paws. Safety sensors ensure cleaning only occurs when the cat is out of the box. Disposable trays with plastic linings prevent leaks and make disposal easy. A built-in health counter and motion sensors track usage, helping detect potential health issues early. Designed for use exclusively with premium crystal litter, this automatic litter box ensures a cleaner home and fresh-smelling environment. US-based customer support is available for assistance. Ideal for busy pet owners, the litter box simplifies maintenance while promoting hygiene and cat health. The third product on our list is the Whisker Litter-Robot 3. The Litter-Robot 3 is a self-cleaning litter box that automatically separates waste and deposits it into a carbon-filtered drawer, eliminating the need for manual scooping. The Litter-Robot 3 Connect offers real-time alerts and usage stats for added convenience. It ensures a clean litter bed after each use, reducing odors and keeping your cat's paws clean. Ideal for multi-cat households, it works with any clumping litter, though great litter is recommended. Drawer full indication alerts you when it's time to empty the waste drawer. Automatic nightlight helps elderly cats navigate in the dark. Sleep mode pauses cycling for 8-hour intervals. Adjustable cycle timer. Set a delay of 3, 7, or 15 minutes before cycling. Control panel lockout prevents accidental button presses. Litter-Robot 3 simplifies cat care, making it cleaner, easier, and more efficient. The second product on our list is the Cleanpethome Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. The Cleanpethome Automatic Cat Litter Box simplifies pet care with its self-cleaning system, eliminating the need for scooping. It ensures a fresh and hygienic litter box at all times. Advanced odor control neutralizes unpleasant smells, keeping your home fresh. Eco-friendly and cost-effective, reduces litter waste, saving money while being environmentally friendly. Quiet and discreet, operates silently and blends seamlessly with home decor. Safety features: sensors detect your cat's presence, preventing accidental cleaning cycles. Easy setup and maintenance. Intuitive design with removable components for effortless cleaning. Ideal for multiple cats, this automatic litter box provides a clean, odor-free, and hassle-free experience, making pet care more convenient and efficient. Finally, our top product title name is the Whisker Litter-Robot 4. The Litter-Robot 4 bundle offers a self-cleaning and odor-controlling solution for cat owners, eliminating the need for scooping. The bundle includes the Litter-Robot 4, a ramp, fence, litter trap mat, odor trap holder, with 6 odor trap packs and 50 waste drawer liners for added convenience. Automatic cleaning. Patented sifting technology separates waste from clean litter. Smart monitoring. Use the Whisker app to track waste levels, litter usage, and even your cat's weight. Odor and tracking control. The odor trap packs reduce smells, while the litter trap mat minimizes litter mess. Multi-cat friendly. Supports up to 4 cats, provided each weighs at least 3 labahes, 1.4 kg. Compatible with any clumping litter, the Litter-Robot 4 enhances pet care with advanced automation, making cat ownership cleaner and easier. That's it for our list of the top 5 best automatic litter boxes 2025 available right now. Check the description below for links with more details about each product. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so feel free to share your opinion in the comments section. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more reviews. We'll see you guys in the next video.